In this video, we will take a look at how to create links in Google Slides. So first skill is how to create a link like this. Copy and paste a web address. That's this part up here. You simply select it, type Control C, and go back and type Control V. Now, that's a link, but it doesn't look very good. So if we want to make a link inside of a different piece of text, you need a different keyboard shortcut. You're going to type Control K. So I will select that piece of text, type Control K, and now I have a window pop up that allows me to paste a link. Hold down Control and type V, and then apply. Now this link will bring us back to the Moodle, the address which we copied a moment ago. Let's look at two more skills. One is that Control K shortcut works on other things as well, like shapes. So if I select a shape and type Control K, I can make that into a link as well. This is a nice way to make buttons. So the last thing I'll show you is that we don't just need to make links to websites outside of this presentation. You can also link to other things within this presentation. So if you want to make a button that goes back to the first page or a table of contents that will bring you to any page, you can do that. Again, I'll type Control K. Now that's what I prefer. You could go to Insert. So there's lots of cool options here. You see link is one of them. And again, there's our handy dandy keyboard shortcut. So select Control K, and then instead of pasting a link, I'm going to click on slides in this presentation. I could just select first slide here if that's what I want. So you can make it go to the next one, no matter which that is, even if you switch it around, or you can make it go to a specific page if you already have that set up. All right, this should bring me back to my top page, and that is how we make links.